To the man who feels stuck, tired, and frustrated because you keep letting yourself down, this video is for you. The problem isn't that you're weak, it's that you keep negotiating with yourself. And today, I'm gonna show you how to shut that voice down and take your power back. So let's be real. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You tell yourself you're gonna get up early the next morning, but then you hit the snooze button on your phone. You say that you're gonna work out tomorrow, but then tomorrow comes and you don't even show up for your workout. You promise you're gonna quit the habit, then you find yourself making just one more exception. Every time you cut a deal with yourself, you trade your future for comfort, and then you wonder why you feel stuck. That's the wound, self-betrayal. Nothing eats at a man's soul faster than knowing that he can't even trust his own word. And here's the truth, guys. You don't need more motivation. Motivation is cheap. It comes and it goes just like the wind. What you need is more discipline. And discipline starts the moment you stop negotiating. So think about it like this, right? Every great man, every comeback story, every transformation wasn't built on feelings. It was built on decisions. Decisions that stuck. Decisions that didn't bend when life got heavy. So how do you stop from negotiating with yourself? These three things right here. Number one, decide once. Stop making the same decision every single day. Decide once, then live it out. No more come back and forth, you know what I'm saying? Number two, kill the excuse before it speaks. The moment your mind starts whispering you can do it later, you need to shut it down. Don't even entertain it. And number three, tie it to something bigger. Discipline without a purpose will always fail. You got to know who you're doing this for, whether it be your kids, your faith, your legacy. That's what keeps you moving when the feelings disappear. And when you stop negotiating, you start winning. You stop living on borrowed motivation and start living with the real momentum. You start walking in confidence because deep down, you know you can trust yourself again. That's the shift. That's the man you're supposed to be. So here's your challenge. Today, right now, kill the deal making. Stop letting the weakest part of you run the strongest part of your life. Draw the line in the sand and say no more. No more excuses, no more bargains, no more deals. I'm done negotiating with weakness. I choose discipline. I choose strength. I choose my future. And when you live like that, you'll see change faster than you ever thought possible. Grace and peace, guys.